Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. Since the day I created this channel, I wanted to create a Lippan art, and today is the day. Lippan art is a traditional mural craft of Gujarat. In this video, I will share everything so that you don't have to go anywhere else. Hence, without delay, let's go into the process. I am going to use this round MDF board, and first I will put a coat of gesso. For avoiding wastage, I have placed some gesso here. To determine the midpoint of the circle, first you have to cut a newspaper equal to the size of the circle. Now fold the cutting page on the circle and mark the middle point with the help of a marker. Okay, so I am drawing a circle with the help of a compass according to the size of the big mirror that I will attach in the middle. Now by targeting the same middle point, draw another circle 1 inch bigger than the previous circle. I have cut a petal shaped paper and draw all the outlines by this cutting. This will help you to get uniform shapes. Please check the description box for all the measurements. Again, for the roof, I am using this paper cut. By keeping this circle paper cutting between the first two petals, I am drawing a semicircle. Next, I am doing the clay works by this molded clay. I am using talcum powder to avoid stickiness. When using molded clay, mix as much as you need. Mixing too much together will make that hard and useless. Now base the clay stress according to the outline by using glue. You have to set the shape very properly by any handy tool. Here I am using maroon acrylic color for the base. I have taken this big mirror from my expired compact powder. Now I am placing the craft mirrors. It took me 39 craft mirrors here. I have tried to place the mirrors by tool, but that doesn't work for me, so I prefer my hand. But make sure your hand is clean, otherwise the mirror will look dirty. Have you noticed that I am placing this circle mirror between two big petals? Okay, so after this all decorations, I will paint the clay white. Now I will attach 8 craft mirrors at the end of the 8 big petals. Okay, all the details are almost done. I just have to complete it with some basic dots. You can see I have added some molded clay balls around the big mirror. So all the process has done, but don't forget to varnish it. Now let's see how it will look while hanging. Please tell me in the comment section if this video was useful. So that's it for today. I will see you on next Sunday 6:30 p.m.